Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to the heart of my home. It's the cleansing season, spring. I'm going to introduce you to one of my favourite earthy spring recipes, black carrot soup. Perfectly designed to balance the gut biome, particularly at this time of year when we're feeling the congestion and the heaviness and the stagnation in our bowels. The recipe is full of nutritional goodness, low in GI, gluten-free, vegan, and most importantly, delicious. Now, don't forget to subscribe, and you know what to do. Leave your comments below. Let's get on with the recipe. So the ingredients for the spring soup recipe that's going to support you through your cleanse this season are carrots, so the earthiness of carrots along with swede, and I have pumpkin here. I'm also going to add some sweet potato. So these actually provide that real wholesome earthiness that's going to support the digestive system. Then I'm going to introduce some onions, so these are shallots, along with celery. So the pungent flavour is going to help to move any stagnation that we have in our intestines. Along with that, the herbs and spices I'm going to introduce are ginger, and we know what that's good for now. I have some garden thyme as a herb. I've got fresh turmeric, and I've got some cumin seeds, one of my favourite, and it's an all-rounder for the digestive system. I'm also going to add some coriander and parsley. Now, parsley is a great diuretic, great for bloating at this time of year, and coriander is an all-rounder for the digestive system. It goes really well with the earthiness of the carrots. And the oil that I've chosen to use in today's recipe is rice bran oil. So for anyone that's looking to lower cholesterol levels, this is a great addition at this time of year. That's it. Let's get on with the cooking.